The next step in our Jeepster is actually going to be to put the badges back on the truck. And we're actually going to make them custom to match our roof. And we're going to add one more badge, and that is this trail-rated Jeep badge that we pulled off of a Jeep out back. Now, to attach this badge to the truck, we're going to be using some JB Weld clear weld out of their new clear weld syringe. Now, this is probably not the most common application for the world's strongest epoxy, being the JB Weld 5-minute epoxy. What you'd normally use it for is something like this. This is the intercooler that is for the engine that's underneath the hood of this Jeepster. And when we took this whole thing apart, we noticed that the little tab off of this, I think this is some sort of air diffuser for the pressure sensor, is broken off right here. And I don't even know how to look this part up and even find it, even if I could. It's probably gonna be a dealer-only item. So what we're gonna do is we're going to use the clear weld syringe to fix this particular piece of plastic, because the clear weld, it works on glass, wood, pretty much any plastic and metal, and it's gonna dry in 5 minutes, cure in an hour, and there's a couple different ways we can use it. We can just put a little bit out of the syringe, mix it here on the back of the card, or even this little automatic mixing syringe right here, which is what I'm probably gonna use, because that's gonna allow me to get right down into the spot where I need to fix this little tab. That was so easy. And I'll just sit here for 5 minutes. Hand me 2 of the magnets off that white table that we're holding the welding poster up. Boom. Our clear weld repair on our intercooler is good and done. I'm still gonna wait up to an hour to allow it to cure completely. The badge is now on the side of the Jeep, and our other badges are ready to basically bolt back on to finish the transformation of the Jeep that we planned today.